Tommy, what are you doing here?
Your mother should have come to your birthday
Mom,
party.
I don't want him here. Why are you
Wow,
bringing?
you have a nice house. Oh, thank you. Oh
my-
my God.
not hers.
Do you have snacks? Oh yeah, we got plenty of snacks today.
Not for you. Done. Tommy,
It smells really good in here. What you making?
I made a Bam Bam, Tommy.
Hey, Mr. Gerald, do you have ice cream?
Yeah, it's in the freezer. Go ahead.
Okay, my mom never lets me have ice cream. She says I get crazy.
Oh, no, it's okay. You can get crazy over here. Go ahead and get your ice cream.
Okay.
Tommy, Tommy.
My mommy never lets me have ice
I
cream.
see why.
My
Tommy,
mommy never
Tommy,
let
Tommy.
me
I'm
have
scared.
mommy